what's in here first, man?
Dion, and now I switched from the FI to Crossfire C7.
Okay.
18s,
Yep.
and Crossfire 16K at half ohm.
All right. But 14 volt?
Yeah, it's hot. Usually stays about 15.
Nice. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Come in.
Come on, Jacob. It's fine. Woo. It's still ain't gonna stop, but I'm basically running fine.
Bass breaking it.
Yeah.
So you're still playing with the subs, breaking them in, or too much power, or what do you think?
I don't know, we haven't clamped it, but
Yeah.
my other teammates that run the same amp at half ohm, they were doing like 17K out of it.
Woo,
But
yeah.
I'm
Yes,
at
sir.
like -6 on the head unit.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So,
you got it. Go ahead.
Crossfire C7.
Okay. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vila. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of Dion's system he showcased at the Made of Steel show in 2021 Tampa, Florida area. I went ahead and put the thumbnail here with the link in the description of the video. About a year ago, I posted it when he actually had 5 subs prior, and then he upgraded or changed to Crossfire C7 18s instead. So kind of recommend checking that video out after this demo so you can kind of see the difference in his system and how the subwoofer reacts. As well as go ahead and give him a like. Let him know what you think about his system by commenting as well. He did a really good job showcasing it. Really clean install and a really big ratio 6th order box. If I remember right, it was 22 and 44 hertz were his 2 tunings from the previous video. And he actually called his truck the Lunchbox. So pretty unique name to the truck style on this F Ford 150. So 16,000 watt amplifier. I'm pretty sure he had the amplifier at half ohm. He didn't turn it all the way up during the demo as well, but you're going to see he's going to be giving us a 2-song demo, and the second song was playing the lower notes a little bit better than the first. But both songs had a really good bandwidth, and you could tell the subs reacted really well to the enclosure, and he did a good job. Dion built the system, so shout out to you, man. Nice job with the whole layout. Anybody watching may not realize that this is a 6th order enclosure because of this rear port is in purple. There's actually a chamber behind the subs that are making this 6th order. A lot of chamber pressure builds up inside of that back port chamber and then faces out. The big open-ended chamber in the front was helped with the higher end frequency response. So we're going to go ahead and get to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos.
This time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone. To the same, but my roof down. When I leave the scene, but you broke down. And I beat the pussy like a new song.
Thanks, Dion, man. So you're still playing with the subs, breaking them in, or too much power, or what do you think?
I don't know, we haven't clamped it, but
Yeah.
my other teammates that run the same amp at half home, they were doing like 17K out of it.
Ooh,
But
yeah.
I'm
Yes,
at
sir.
like -6 on the heavy unit.
Yeah.
But
Oh, okay. You got it. Hey, have a good day, man. Thanks for the demo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.